Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be doing the tutorial on how to remove the door panel from a Porsche Panamera, current year 2023-24 model. We have to do this in order to gain more access to tint these windows. The panels here tend to be very tight, so best way to do this job is to remove it. So we're going to start off by using our prying tool. We're going to need a prying tools and torque number 20. So we're going to start off by wedging our tool here slightly and pop this panel off gently, and you'll see how this top panel pops out. So what you want to do is wedge it in between after that, just gently pull it back, and you see how it starts popping off. It's going to be a whole piece from here, so just be very gentle. There is clips. You're going to have minor plastic clips fall off. You can just wedge them back in once you're ready to put this panel back on. So once you got half of it, there is a pin right here. So what you go is start from the other side, pop it out, and then you just gently slide it to your right. You'll see how this will hook on here and it'll be just removed. So from there, we're going to use our torque 20. We're going to have 2 bolts here. Remove those. Oops. Go from this side. Make sure you save those bolts. You don't want to lose any parts when you remove anything. I prefer to use a sandwich bag just to keep all my stuff organized there. After that, we're going to go ahead and remove this light at the bottom. Just gently put your wedge tool in there, pop it out. It's a quick knockout. You just pop this clip, pull it out. There's another torque 20 in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that for now. More than likely it'll stay locked in here, but when you put the panel back out, you'll be able to gain it. And then again, using our tool, we're gonna go in gently, start from the top, just wedge it in there, pull back a little bit, and get those clips to pop off. So for this area, you'll notice how it starts removing. There you go. Again, there's a speaker wire here, so you want to unplug it, and your panel is removed. Again, here we should have another bolt, and if not, it's just going to be a clip. So once that's out the way, we're going to get our wedge tool once again, running behind the panel, gently pull back. This is just gonna pull back to the side there, so nothing to remove there. Just gonna double check. So now this. Move this here, so go ahead and access from here. There you go. Just run your panel remover gently from the side. Just pry it off of it and start getting it off. There's nothing under this. Okay, alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pry this off as well, since there's something holding this panel back from there. Nothing there. Oh, I see it. So if you look under here, the handle, there's going to be a slot here. Use another smaller pry tool to get it off. Probably a hook tool. Go. Just use a hook tool, cut this little piece out. It goes from the sides, and there should be another bolt in there. There you go. So now we can fully pop our panel. There you go. Pop it off. Just slide it up. Wiggle it. And your panel is off. So, once again, we're doing all this just to remove these cover panels from the window, just to gain more access, be able to remove the felt, be able to do a clean job. The vehicle was already tinted, however, the product that it currently has is creating scratches due to the felt that goes here, so we just have to remove it and see if the next film doesn't cause any damage for that. There is a felt that we can use, however, on these models is very thin panel rubber that anything that collects in there, such as dust particles and all that, could create a film to scratch. So I'm gonna see if we can correct that in the best way possible. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.